Let's look at this proposed idea of representation by the people and for the people and how it applies to Joe Biden packing the Supreme Court. So, in the system that I'm proposing, that Patriot Party USA espouses, is the original system where laws were not made by politicians, they were made by the people. That means that in order for a law to even get started, it has to start with a bill. And in order to get a bill, you have to start with a petition. I don't know if anybody remembers Schoolhouse Rock. I'm just a bill, and I'm sitting on Capitol Hill. Never mind, I'm old. Here's the whole thing. If anybody wants to propose anything legal in this country, it has to go by the vote of the people. The representative that you send to vote for you has no authority to make any law without the consent of the people. Right now, they get lobbyists, you put them in there, oh, they're representing you. They're not. That's taxation without representation. So you say, oh, well, we want to pack the court. No, we don't. We want 9 people on there, and that's it. So the people get together and they get a petition. And then the bill gets signed. But first, it's got to go to your senator, your congressman. And if your senator and your congressman doesn't listen to you when you put a petition in, then you need to have the ability to impeach them and throw them immediately out on their ear. So then it goes in and it gets voted on. But who votes on it? A whole bunch of other people that somebody else sent in instead of the people. So now they have all the power. And that's what's happening right now. They're saying, oh, well, we're going to pack the court. When if you take a census of the people, that's not what they want. So that's taxation without representation. That's tyranny. So once that bill hits the floor and it's debated on in front of the people. Then the people have to, and this is why it's very important to grow the idea of Patriot Party USA. The idea is to inform the public, to make the public interested in being informed, because obviously they've had their country robbed right out from under them. So it's getting people involved in understanding who to vote for and who not to vote for, and understanding that it's we the people. It's a government for the people, by the people, not by the politicians. We've given them too much power. They're going to lobbyists and they're voting on their own. So Joe Biden and even Donald Trump should not be able to legislate from the bench or make laws or executive orders. I understand in this world there has to be some leeway to stop some things, but we have to put a rein on power. But we have to also make sure that we're not stupid enough to muzzle power. So going forward, though, if the people say no, you want to go ahead and do that, but we say no, you can't pack the court because you didn't get the vote of the people. So you've got to take this whole idea, a bill or a law, put it on the floor, but then the floor has to take it to their constituents and have them vote on it. The people vote on it. And if the people vote on it, then the legislator, whoever it is, the lawmaker, has a right to vote for the people. If the legislature or the legislator votes against the people, well, then they're thrown out of office and the vote doesn't count. Do you understand? This is how communists can't take over the country, because the way they're doing it is that they're circumventing the will of the people, and it's tyranny. And there should be laws in place like there used to be, where if you committed treason, well, you were hung on the treason. God bless.